Hello everyone. Today we are going to, I'm here and today we are going to unbox and review the X-Jet Marvel X-Men. This car, he was born in 2001. Screen time, and I got this car. Did you see that? I already got this car. But however, I think it's time for me to review it. So anyway. Oh wow. I think, so here comes the car. Here's the base, plastic base with metal rivets, metal body, a red tiny window. It also has a support on it, which you can attach it to it. Did you see that? You can actually attach it as well. Looks like a flying airplane. He has some wings and boost. Eruption. He has a hole to attach the support on it. He also flies, and these two holes over here are part of the window. He also has his name right there. Marks his logo over here. And yes. So, okay guys, that's what I have to say. See you soon, bye bye!